Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore a very interesting topic, the universe. When we look at the sky during the day, we see the bright sun shining above us. At night, the sky becomes dark and beautiful, filled with a glowing moon and countless twinkling stars. Sometimes we may even notice a shooting star moving quickly across the sky. All these objects that we see in the sky are called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, the earth, stars, planet, and many other objects together form what we call the universe. The universe includes everything that exists in space: stars, planet, galaxies, gases, dust, and even empty space. But an interesting question arises here. How did this vast universe come into existence? Scientists believe that the universe was formed about 15 billion years ago. According to scientists, the universe began with a huge explosion known as the Big Bang. Before this explosion, everything in the universe was packed into a very small, extremely hot and dense point. Then suddenly a powerful explosion occurred and the universe began expanding in all directions. As time passed, the universe gradually cooled down. Slowly, matter began to gather together and form stars, galaxies, and planets. Even today, scientists believe that the universe is still expanding. After the formation of the universe, many celestial bodies began to appear. One of the most important among them is stars. Stars are huge balls of hot gases that produce their own heat and light. When we observe the sky at night, stars appear very small. However, in reality, they are extremely large. They appear small only because they are very far away from the earth. Our sun is also a star. It appears much bigger and brighter than other stars because it is much closer to us. Stars are formed in large clouds of gas and dust are called nebulae. Inside these clouds, gravity pulls the gases together and slowly form a hot glowing body which becomes a star. There are billions of stars in the universe. However, stars are not scattered randomly in space. They are grouped together in huge system called galaxies. A galaxy is a massive system of billions of stars along with gas and dust held together by gravity. Scientists believe that there are billions of galaxies in the universe. Our solar system belongs to a galaxy called the Milky Way. In India, the Milky Way is also known as Akashaganga. The Milky Way appears as a faint band of light stretching across the night sky. When we observe the night sky carefully, we can also notice that some stars seem to form interesting patterns. These patterns are known as constellations. So, constellations are group of stars that appears to form shapes or pattern in the sky. There are about 88 recognized constellations. In ancient times, people used constellations to identify seasons, measure time, and find directions while traveling. One of the most famous constellation is Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear or Saptarishi. Another well-known constellation is Orion. Among the billions of stars in our galaxy, one star is extremely important to us, the Sun. Around this star lies our solar system. The solar system is a small part of the Milky Way galaxy. At the center of the solar system is the Sun. a huge ball of hot gases that provides heat and light to all the planets. Around the Sun revolve 8 planets, their satellites, and several smaller celestial bodies. All the planets move around the Sun in fixed path known as orbits. Our solar system has 8 planets. Starting from the Sun, let us take a closer look at each planet one by one. First comes Mercury. Mercury is closest planet to the sun and also the smallest planet in the solar system. Next is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet because its thick atmosphere traps heat. After Venus comes Earth. Earth is our home planet and the only planet known to support life. The fourth planet is Mars. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish surface. Next comes Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Then we have Saturn. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. After Saturn comes Uranus. Uranus is a cold blue planet that rotates on its side. And finally, Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Apart from planet, there are also natural satellites in space. The most familiar satellite to us is Moon. It revolves around the Earth and complete one revolution in about 27 days. The Moon does not produce its own light. It shines by reflecting the light of sun. As the moon moves around the earth, we see different shapes of the moon in the sky. These shapes are called the phases of the moon. Beside planets and satellites, space also contains several other interesting objects. Apart from stars and planets, space also contains many other celestial objects. Asteroids are small rocky bodies that revolve around the sun. Meteorites are pieces of rock that burn when they enter the Earth's atmosphere and appear as shooting stars. Comets are made of ice, dust, and gases. They travel around the sun in long orbit and often develop a glowing tail when they come close to the sun. All these celestial objects together make the universe a fascinating place to explore. In short, the universe is extremely vast and full of wonders. It contains billions of galaxies, countless stars, and many mysterious objects that scientists are still studying. With the help of telescopes, satellites, and space missions, scientists continue to explore the universe and discover new secrets about space. Learning about the universe helps us understand more about the world we live in. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational videos.